Thank you for your interest in Digestive Disease Week. This brief video will show you how to access and view abstracts and presentations at the DDW 2020 ePosters and ePapers site. The DDW 2020 ePosters and ePapers site will open on Saturday, May 2nd. The site will feature full-text abstracts accepted for presentation at DDW 2020 and presentation files, if submitted by the authors. The site is free and open to the public, and no login is required. All full-text abstracts will be available when the ePosters and ePapers site opens on May 2nd. Presentations, if submitted, will be released at 9:30 a.m. Central Time on the day of their originally scheduled presentations. To find abstracts of interest at the ePosters and ePapers site, click the Search option from the menu bar. You'll now have the option to search for abstracts by keyword, including author names, DDW track, topic, format, and society. Abstracts meeting your search criteria will now appear. If an author has submitted a presentation, you'll see a thumbnail to the right of the abstract title. To view the abstract, click on the abstract title. You'll now see the full-text abstract, author list, and author disclosures. If a presenter has submitted a presentation, you may view it by clicking on the presentation thumbnail under the abstract title. To print a copy of the abstract, click the blue Print button at the bottom of the screen under the author disclosure list. If an author has enabled the site's forum features, you will see a blue button above the author string. Click this button to submit a question directly to the authors. Please note that it is at the author's discretion to enable this feature, so you may not see the question option on all abstracts you view. Although anyone can view abstracts at the site without a login, you're encouraged to create an Appriser account for the ePosters and ePapers site to take advantage of several features. To create an account, click the Sign In button at the top of any screen. Once you've created an account and logged in, you'll be able to use the blue buttons at the bottom of an abstract screen to email a link to the abstract and also create a QR code. Creating an account will also allow you to create abstract collections. To save an abstract, log in, and then click the green plus sign near the abstract title. You can then return to your saved abstracts by clicking the Collections option from the menu bar. There, you'll be able to organize your saved abstracts into folders and then create email and QR code links to those collections. Contact DDW administration at program@ddw.org with any questions about the DDW 2020 ePosters and ePapers site. Thank you for your interest in DDW 2020.